Today I've got this ABUS here. It's a little bit camera shy, but we will see. In the beginning I had this bitting here. It was easy to rake, so I took an old key and a file and put some other pins into the lock. The key works fine, and so we will see how it will go. I use tension from the pin side and this half diamond. I start from front. Back. When you look at the tension wrench, you can really good see the counter rotation. In this lock are a lot of spools, and I have to pick them more than once. Picking and checking what is the next binding pin. I start to like the half diamond. It's very good to maneuver around in this key way. Ha! Fine. Ooh. So let us see what's inside. The circle is off. Now the pinning shoe, and we can take the core out. So then we will start with the key pins. Pin 1 is a serrated pin. Pin 2 and 3 have a groove at the end of the pin. I will show it later in a close-up. So, and pin 4 is nicely serrated. And pin 5 has slight serrations. Oh no, it's a standard pin. Maybe you can see the threatening in all these chambers. I try to find another angle. As you can see, all chambers are threaded. And now the other pins on pin 5. Pin 4 are 5 and 4 are spools. Here, spring. 3 is a spool. 2 also. And here's a serrated pin in chamber 1. Now here you can see all the pins in a close-up. Thank you for your time. Bye.